Momo Kitten loved to grow tiny plants in rows below. Seeds of carrot, peas and mint, every leaf a different tint. One wet morning after rain, flowers woke but looked quite plain.
Every petal turned to white, no more colors shining bright. Momo blinked and scratched her head. Gardens need bright shades, she said.
Using berry juice and tea, she mixed paints beneath a tree.
Blue from berries, green from lime, pink from watermelon slime.
Petal colors brushed with care, painting beauty everywhere.
Butterflies helped flap the air, drying colors everywhere. Soon the tulips glowed anew, sunflowers wore golden hue. Rainbow gardens stretched so wide, bees danced happily inside. Every leaf and vine and tree bloomed with joyful energy. Friends came running one by one, laughing in the flower sun. Rolling through the blooming land, colors spread by paw and hand. Momo's garden, bright and free, painted joy for all to see.